Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make these easy and delicious Tinga tostadas. If you guys don't know what Tinga is, it's shredded chicken in a red adobo sauce. It's very easy, and here are the ingredients. You're going to need 6 chipotle adobo peppers. You're going to need some cooking oil, 1 chicken bouillon, and I use these cubes which are so much easier, 1 garlic clove, 3 red tomatoes, 1/4 of an onion, and I did cut it into small cubes, and I'm going to be using 1 cup of the chicken broth that I used to boil the chicken breast. For the toppings, I'll be using some sour cream, some tostadas, some lettuce that I shredded, and cheese. And this is totally optional. So first, I'm going to go ahead and boil my 3 tomatoes. And I have been already boiling my chicken breast. As you can see, it is very soft now. It is no longer pink inside. That's when you know it is fully cooked. Now I will be shredding the chicken breast. It is extremely hot, as you can see, so I am using 2 forks, which makes it much easier and so I don't burn myself. So I will be using 1 cup of the chicken broth that came from the chicken breast. Now when the tomatoes are boiling, I am going to blend those. So we're going to go ahead and put those in the blender, along with the 1 garlic clove, chicken bouillon, and the 6 adobo peppers. I will be pouring the 1 cup of chicken broth that I used to cook the chicken breast. It does give it so much flavor. Now in a frying pan, I will be pouring some oil. I did pour about 1 teaspoon, did everything together. And as soon as the frying pan gets hot, I do want to pour the onion in and start stirring until the onion turns a different color or it gets transparent. You don't want to burn it though. When that starts getting transparent, you want to go ahead and pour the items that you blended and stir. At this point, you do want to check for salt, and if it does need some more, just go ahead and add some to your taste. When the sauce starts boiling, you want to go ahead and add the shredded chicken and just go ahead and stir. When it starts boiling like this, you can go ahead and turn it off and it should be ready. Now this is the end on how it looks. How we do it is a tostada with tofu beans, chicken tinga, cheese, lettuce, and sour cream. If you guys do decide to make this recipe, go ahead and comment down below. Let us know if you liked it. Give me a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!